A titration is a method of analysis that will allow you to determine the precise endpoint of a reaction and therefore the precise quantity of reactant in the titration flask. A burette is used to deliver the second reactant to the flask, and an indicator or pH meter is used to detect the endpoint of the reaction. To begin, prepare your burette. Your burette should be conditioned and filled with titrant solution. You should check for air bubbles and leaks before proceeding with the titration.
Next, you need to attach the clamp to the stand and tighten it.
Clamp the burette into the stand.
Make sure the burette is at eye level so you can pour in the solution safely.
Take the initial volume by reading the meniscus and record it in your notebook. Make sure to record it to 2 decimal places.
While one group member opens the valve on the burette, another needs to swirl the flask.
Continue doing this until the solution becomes a light pink in color.
Make sure you watch the experiment carefully. Don't do like Ian did and fall asleep and let the valve continue running, or you won't have a proper titration.
Record the final volume and record it in your notebook. Make sure to record it to 2 decimal places.
In order to determine the concentration of the unknown solution, you will need to know the concentration of the titrant and the volume of both reactants. You can find the volume of the titrant by subtracting the final reading from the initial.